All right, top of the day, highest vibrations. It's your girl Tears, no E's, only threes for alignment. Last, it's not at the top of the day, but whenever you find this message, may the vibrations be in the highest. Namaste, blessings to you. Listen, the journey's gonna do what it wants to do, especially in this moment where Mercury's in retrograde. But we're gonna dive into the energy and see how to navigate it into our highest. So if you got time, stay a while and let's get into it. The blessings of the source of all creation. Support of the highest vibrations. Yes, your high vibrational divine team. What is the theme and the message for the person aligning? Thank you for all that you have done, and I know it shall be. Oh, okay, so the message I'm getting is said to me. All right, give me 1 second. It's hard work paying off, okay? Only you know what you have done already, but know that you are reaping the fruits of your labor, okay? An emphasis on your labor because you've been putting in that work. Let me pull some oracles and let's get deeper. All right, thank you, Source. Give me more. They wanted me to pull these plant cards next. Nope. All right, let's see. What's the plant cards to go with that hard work paying off? It's something about the work you do. Okay. So the hard work you've been doing, right? You haven't been getting your accolades for a minute. Accolades, accolades. And that is all changing. We got Valerian and we got Black Hellbore. So it's something about there was an energy that was plaguing you this whole time, that was hiding you. The whole time Source had a hope. Source already knew that was going to happen. Was like, okay, we're going to let them think you're invisible. So you was like, I was putting in all this work, but the world can't see me. Well, boom. Something had came into the energy. Okay, big Source expression. And it's like everything that held you back is now being banished out of your energy field. Your aura is now allowed to shine and pop. Okay, this is your reiteration. And you're going to see so much luck coming to you because of your awards. You're going to get the healing because people are going to start paying you out. You're going to get those residuals finally coming in. Okay, so if you had your hand in a lot of pots, this is what I'm being told through clear audience. And you're going to know because love is going to start attracting to you and magnetizing towards you. 222 when I said that. Let me keep going. I want to pull some more cards. Right, Source. So now tell me what was basically in the way that we are getting clarity on right now at this moment for the beautiful person aligning. What was in the way? First of all, they said you already know. One, and you detach from them, so that's the good part. And there was another card. So there were people watching the work you did. Remember, you were in the Queen of Hearts, okay? You were sharing your love like the type of energy that Source told you to. And there were people watching. You know how you get all those views, but nobody be liking. So they were watching you, and they don't even know, but they was putting their projections of a low vibrational, limitless life onto you. And yes, I'm so sorry you had to carry that for so long. But bam, we are banishing that thing. They can't hold nothing back no more. And so now they're going to actually be the witness to your greatest uprising. Okay, word straight from the soul. This second card says, she said, what? Okay, so it's something, okay, they've been silent judging, and now it's like your shit coming. Oh, they've been silent judging, and now like the energy, you still kept going, right? You kept going regardless. And so it's like it's something about you going past the threshold even when they tried to put the finish line way above the time that you was ready to be finished, and now you have made it through, which is now opening up your own divine timing. So shout out to your quantum leap. Now during this time your energy is expanding, so a whole lot more energy is coming through, but this is not the time to back down because now your energy is reaching this new level of ascension. It's going to be tethering through and teetering through like what it wants. So go ahead and frolic into the unknown. I want to pull one more card, okay? This might have to split into two parts, so I like it if you like it. Let's go. Now, sticking out before I change to the next deck, it did say bigger goals ahead. So this is just the beginning of your many pinnacles of success. Now, I am feeling there's this person who's been silent judging whole time. You could have had a relationship with them. So I want to pull some cards on them as my gut is telling me to. All right. So as you're teetering through, right? The person that was saying, she said, what? They whole time they ghosted you long time ago, playing these back and forth, like giving you little ounces of love and then pulling back. Because first of all, you are in bigger energy right now, so don't you dare go back, especially in this retrograde. But whenever this message seems to find you, this energy is ready to align with you. So don't you dare go back. But they're like, I know what I'm doing. I play dumb to keep you confused. Well, first of all, you banishing that confusion is now allowing things of more alignment to come to you and keep it going. Now, they're asking to see Valerian one more time. Luck, love healing. This love isn't going to come from them. No, no, no. Know this right now. This is new love, as this when the change is coming through. You can go back to that old thing if you want to, but it ain't going to be what this is. It's going to take you right back to this one. It's going to be hell, okay? It's gonna be that, but we moving up into our highest. I'm gonna pull some more cards with the moonology. I love that thing. So let's see where your success is coming soon. Source, tell me about this upcoming success for the beautiful person watching. They said make sure you give thanks to your divine team. Okay, they said listen, they've been pushing things out the way to make it happen. Meditate and contemplate. So as more success is coming to you, if you want to know details of where it is, these are the times you're going to fall into that devotion within self. You're going to meditate. If you don't know how to do it, thanks for